I reviewed this microphone back in 2014, and that video has been kind of blowing up lately. So that made me wonder, does the AT2020 hold up in 2020? So I picked up a new kit. Let's find out. If you're looking for tech reviews that give you the information you actually care about, then hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So the Audio-Technica AT2020 microphone was released in 2004. You heard me right, 2004. And this is still one of the most popular mics at its price range that people are picking up today. So when I decided I wanted to do an update video on this, I went out and picked up a new kit here. Of course, I found my AT2020 after I ordered it, but then I thought, you know what? I want to put these two head to head to see how this is holding up over the last 6 years. But first, let me go ahead and show you guys what comes in this kit in 2020. So this kit does retail for $149. You get your mic arm here, which is really actually pretty nice because the XLR cable is included and runs in it. So you get a nice ample amount of cable at the end here to plug into your interface. And of course you have the other end here, which will plug into the microphone. You've got some okay headphones. These are the M20X. You do have the microphone itself, and of course the adapter, which will screw onto the bottom of the microphone, which goes into the nut here at the top. These microphones look exactly the same, and why shouldn't they? So what I want to do is put these two to the test and see exactly how they compare to the 2014 to the 2020, if it still holds up over the time. Now, what I also want to do is compare it to my current streaming and podcasting mic, the Rodecaster Pro. So let's jump over to my desk right now. So these microphones are an XLR style and do require phantom power to actually have them operate. Now, I am going to be running this test through my Rodecaster Pro. Now, this mixer is not cheap, and it's probably overkill for most people who just want to power an XLR mic. My buddy Jay Littman actually released a video today doing a review of a product called the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, which is an interface, and it is a great low-budget cost for someone that wants to use an XLR-style mic. I'll go ahead and link that in the description below. You can check that out. Also, Audio-Technica does offer a USB-style mic if that is better for your situation and your budget. I'll go ahead and link that in the description below as well. So as you can see, up until now, I've been recording with the Rode Procaster, which is a dynamic mic, end style addressing, which you do talking to the end of the mic, and I wanted to give you a little bit of a different test before we try out the AT2020. This also came out in 2004. It's a more expensive microphone, I believe for about $250. I'll put a link in the description for the specs, and if you want to check this microphone out as well, but let's go ahead and switch over to the AT2020. So now we're on my original AT2020. As you can see, it is a side address style, good for a boom arm, or you can put it on a stand on your desk. This, is good, but you end up having to walk and end up talking on the top of it when you're doing it. This is a nice side address style where you can have it in front of you and talk if you don't want to use a boom arm. Now, you can talk a little bit on the top, but you do lose a little bit of volume. And the back, you do lose a lot. You can talk on the back here, but as you can see, the volume's completely gone. This is meant to be speaking on this side of the microphone itself. And again, the closer you get, the more pops you're going to get. And you can step back a little bit to prevent that. I do have the screen here, which prevents that on my Rode. And you can get a windscreen style that will help you prevent the P's and the T's. And you get that popping noise, which you don't want when you're trying to record. So let's go ahead and see how this sounds compared to the new one, which it shouldn't sound much different at all because these are made from quality. These are metal, the whole nine. These are really meant to stand the test of time, which is why they've been around for over 16 years. So now I am on the brand new AT2020, and I do believe it sounds exactly the same as my original AT2020, thus proving that this microphone is still that damn good in 2020, and you can get a quality microphone, this one in particular, for $99. Now, I do want to talk a little bit about the rest of this kit. The whole thing is $149, as I mentioned already. This boom arm pretty much is what you get for free. You get the XLR wire that's in it. The microphone being $99, these headphones being $50 retail for the two of them online. and of course, again, $150, and you get the boom arm for free. So that's up to you whether or not you feel that that is a value to you, because you do have to buy an additional item after that, which would be the processor to be able to power the XLR microphone to go into your computer. As I did mention earlier, there is a USB version of this. Now, I already recorded this, and when I went back to verify the price, I noticed that the USB microphone is overpriced right now at $199 on Amazon, and in a lot of other places it's sold out. For obvious reasons, many people went out, they needed a better microphone. They purchased the USB microphone, and of course, voila, it gets sold out and the price starts inflating. Do not pay more than $149 for the USB version of this microphone. Either look around for something else. I'll link a couple other ones down in the description that I think are quality microphones based on my experience from people I know or what I've seen out there, but do not pay more than that. I won't link it down there because I don't want people overspending for a microphone that is not worth what I've seen is $200. It seems that it's sold out in a lot of places, but with that being said, I wanted to let you know that that's the case. If you're interested in this kit or this setup, I will go ahead and leave a link in the description. All the links for everything will be down below. Now, I have a lot of other microphones that I've tested out over the years. I'm going to go ahead and put that in a playlist right over here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.